Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This chiropractor is a professional that specializes in helping dogs that have pain in their neck.
Ihr Blick.
Alles gut? Alles gut? Ja?
Serve dirty water. Right there, wow! Holy crap!
This shark expert was about to jump in the water, but was pretty lucky they didn't. Nobody was hurt, and the shark eventually swam away. The scientist grabbed some slices of cheese from the grocery store and put them under a microscope. He found little microscopic pieces of plastic scattered throughout the cheese. Food that is processed in a factory contains more plastic compared to food that isn't made in a factory. These students were playing musical chairs when one student thought of a big brain move.
Oh, that kind of slipped out, excuse me.
This cat and dog set up a system where the cat will knock the food off the counter and the dog will eat it when it lands on the floor.
Shut up.
Officer, arrest me! Now! Arrest me, officer!
That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.